Hey guys, here's a great plugin called AutoZon Builder. This plugin is for creating an Amazon affiliate store right on your website. Now it's not really a complete affiliate store. What it is it features Amazon products and creates a post for each one of those products. This is so cool because you can set your website to be completely on autopilot. Just start scheduling posts, have them drip feed in right from Amazon, like every week or every couple weeks or every couple days or whatever you want, and then you can leave it be. It's a set and forget, and your website will continue to be updated with fresh new content every single day, week, 2 weeks, whatever you decide to set it. Now, this plugin works. It's super easy to use, it's easy to set up, and it does what it's supposed to do. And the posts look pretty good. Now, to get started, just install the AutoZon Builder plugin. Once you have that done, you're going to go right here to the settings, enter in your Amazon tracking ID, your key, and your secret key. Once that's good, you can hit Save Settings and it'll run a test and tell you your API key is either valid or invalid. If it's invalid, then down here at the bottom, it shows you how you can find your keys, set up an Amazon account, reading guide, everything like that. So it'll show you exactly what to do if it doesn't work. Now, in your post settings, you can select whether you want to show images. You can either have a drop down of yes or no. So I'll put yes, and insert a YouTube video. So it will also pull a video from YouTube based on the keywords that you specify for your posts. Now this is huge because YouTube videos receive a lot of traffic and a lot of search results. So if you put one of them in your post, now your post is going to boost in the search results, and then people will stay on your website longer because they'll be watching a YouTube video on your site. So you can hear yes or no. Choose yes. And a great thing about this is if it doesn't find a YouTube video for your keywords, it just won't post one. There isn't going to be an error message there or some kind of broken YouTube picture window. It'll just not display. You can also choose your buy it button format. So you see there are 4 different options. Select the one you like and hit Save Settings. Then you'll go right here, Add Products. And now you're going to choose your keyword. So we're just going to select a basic keyword. These you can choose whether you want them to be specific or not. Depending on your niche and on your keyword, you will want to be more specific or less specific. So for example, rather than simply typing in laptop or smartphone, you'll probably want to narrow it down a little bit and maybe go with a brand or a model. So maybe choose Dell laptops or Chromebooks, or choose like iPhones or Droids or Samsung, or maybe even take it a step further just because the market is so full of those type of electronics, and choose something like iPhone 6. So for this, what we're going to do is we will select iPhone 6, and then you can hit Process Keyword. Now one thing you can do as well is post all of these into different categories. So for example, let's say you have a website and you're going to market smartphones. So you'll have iPhone 6s, 5s, you're going to do Samsungs, maybe Notes, Galaxy, everything. You can have a post category for each one of those posts. So for the purposes of this video, we're just going to throw them in the uncategorized section, but you could set one up, and I recommend doing so because then categories are indexed on your sitemap. So you can choose and make a category called iPhone 6, then right over here, you'll just select this drop down and hit iPhone 6. Now if you leave this blank, it'll just throw them all in the uncategorized. Otherwise, you will want to set your category. And once you have your keyword processed, this cool plugin pulls up all these products based on the keyword iPhone 6. It'll grab 50 products every time. Then all you need to do is go through and select the posts you want. So let's just say you want all of them. Or maybe you don't want all of them, you want all of them, but let's just say these 2 right here. Go ahead and you can schedule these posts on when you want them to post. If you select them all and hit Add Posts, it will instantly post all of these posts to your WordPress blog or your website. If you want them to drip feed in, simply click in this schedule and a little thing pops up, current dates and times, and you can just say, okay, well, let's schedule one to come in on Halloween. Let's click here and we'll schedule another one to come in here. Maybe we want this one to come in down the line. We want this one in down here. So you get the idea. I won't go through and do all of them, but you can see what we'll do is we'll post a couple of them right now, and we'll throw these scheduleds in there so you can see that it'll schedule posts as well as posting them. So we've got 3 that we're going to post now, and then we've got 4 that we're going to schedule. Then we'll go right down here to the bottom and hit add posts. And now we didn't select a category, so it's going to default throw them right in the uncategorized. When you're doing this, you want to put in a category. So you see now here it says 7 products added. Now let's say you added all 50 and you want to do another search because you want more of them. You want more posts for iPhone 6. Okay, you can do it again, hit process keyword, and it will show you the posts you've already added. This way you're not going to be adding duplicate posts. You see right here it says in base, yes, 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 and then there's nothing here. So now when you go through and do another search for your keywords, you can see all of the posts you already have in your database. How cool is that? Okay, so it said we've imported 7 of them, and you want to see them. So we'll go here to posts, all posts, and here you go. We've got 3 posts live, and we've got 4 posts scheduled. And here's the date that they're scheduled, and now we'll show you what one of them looks like. So here it is. It's a great format. It throws the picture there, product features, buy on Amazon, and then you got an excellent YouTube video. You got another buy button. Now remember, these are all coded to your affiliate link, so you're good credit for these. You've got a little iframe of all the customer reviews so people don't have to leave your site, and then you can turn on, all the comments and stuff. Then this is all theme based, your next post, but this is how the post looks. This is what AutoZon does. It throws in the nice title, a great image, little product features, buy buttons, prices, YouTube videos, customer reviews. This plugin works and is highly worth it. I very much recommend, if you have an affiliate site or if you have a site that you want other posts on, to get the AutoZon Builder plugin. You can do so by grabbing it, clicking on the link right here in the video, or just check it out anywhere. But this plugin works. It's one of the few plugins that does what it's supposed to do and that works well, and there are no errors in it.